Okay.
Anytime.
Yeah. Okay.
With a mic.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi.
Um,
Konnichiwa.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to a new episode of the podcast. So, today we're going to start out with the Halls of Japan, after which we're going to be talking about the last parts of the itinerary, aka places you have to be visiting in Japan. So, let's get started.
So this one we got a lot of stuff. We saw 7-Elevens or whenever we saw Family Mart, we would just run. Like he'd be like, "You have 5 minutes over here, or there's a washroom make." We would just run and go get it.
We have some things from Lawson too.
Yeah, here this one's the same roasted peanut chocolate that we had got last time.
Yeah, it's like chocolate with peanuts inside. We haven't tried it yet, and this brand is really good. I mean, I can't get the brand name actually, but it's like these chocolate dollops with peanuts inside. And apparently, the packaging in Japan is such
that the size and the design and texture and like everything is supposed to be exact like the packet.
next one.
The spicy rice crackers and peanuts. So we already had one packet in the bullet train and it was pretty good. I didn't like the crackers here much because it's really salty.
But I like this.
I like the peanuts more. And this was one of the Polaroid pics we took.
It's so pretty.
Downstairs.
There's like a machine downstairs which can take pictures. So it prints it immediately too. So we took pictures as siblings, and then this is like a separate one of me.
And this was from the temple.
One more thing, guys. The tour guide, he's literally like bullying me. He's like, he takes photos for everyone, for every family. So it's like when he took our family photo, he was like, smile. And then I smiled, like normally, like this. And then after the photo, we start laughing. And I was like, ha ha ha. And he's like, why did you smile like this? And I was like, and he's like, it smile like this looks better. He's like, are you insecure about your braces? I did not even like think. I was like, yeah. And he's like, come on, embrace it. Like you have to show it. You look better like that. And he took the effort, like when we took the next family photo, he took the effort to be like, he kept like convincing me to smile like that. So when he was taking the photo, he was like, I want to see something. And we all start laughing at that. So when he took pictures. And he's like, embrace it, embrace it. That was so cute.
Yeah.
So yeah.
That's one thing that was actually very cute. And I was like, have snacking on food, and he just saw my snack and was like, give me one. I was like, okay, I guess, and then I just gave it to him.
No, you did not give it. She opened the packet.
Yeah, and I opened
Don't
the
cut
packet.
short the story.
I opened the packet, and then he saw there was just one, and he was like, oh, it's fine, you ate it. And then she showed her hand, which she had two more, and he was like, oh, okay, and then he took one. Yeah, these are brochures from the temple, and this is from the museum. So nothing much to buy.
Yeah, one is from the Hiroshima Peace Memorial Museum, and the other one is from the Golden Leaf Temple.
Yeah. And this is from the Miyajima National Park. There, it's an island where the floating torii gate is, and she got these plates for her friends. You can't quite clearly see it, but it's plates with designs.
It's so pretty. And it was for a good deal. It was for like 550, 450.
450.
I don't know, but I loved it. It has a torii gate on it mostly, and the sea. Oh yeah, usually the torii gate, the gate which looks like this. I don't know if you can see the orange gate,
Yeah.
which looks very.
It's like
I don't know
this thing. It shows the it's Shintoism. Torii gate. Everyone knows the torii gate. It's like the orange color gate. If you want to put it somewhere over here in the video.
No, we won't. That's like most of the time it will be like in the sea level. But when we went, the wave
it was low
tide, so it was out of the water. So it did not look like a floating torii gate, but it's most commonly known as floating torii gate.
Like there's like a patch of seaweed or green mushy things on the torii gate for like this much level. That shows like the water is always over there. But there's low tide, so we could see that was standing. Then I got this notebook from Lawson in saying that Miyajima Island. And I don't know, I mean, it was for a good price, so I just took it. I don't know what I'm going to write in it. But
Yeah, it's
yeah.
really pretty. We just want to get a lot of stationery from Japan, but sadly, we are not finding it around a lot. She,
MTV ate that.
like, don't make a plastic sound when I speak because it's not being heard. Yeah, so it's like, yeah, we want a lot of stationery. Like, she want many things. Like what?
I wanted pens, stickers, washi tapes, books, stuff like that. Like till now, I've just got books and pens. There was washi tapes, but it's like plain white,
Yeah.
so I'm like, nah, fam. And then we got these again, same thing, corn snack covered with chocolate.
Whose
With
is that? Yours or mine?
yours both. And it was pretty good that we had to buy more. And we
It is
also
really good.
snagged one in the train and snagged another one in the bus.
Oh yeah, something else happened. The bullet train literally got stopped.
Yeah, it got delayed. It got delayed. Not
Delayed.
stopped. It got delayed. So the bullet train above us had some issues, so it got delayed by 2 hours. And we were like, what
Above
are we
us?
gonna do?
The bullet train above us?
In front of us.
It's above.
I said in front.
It's above.
I said in front. So, it got delayed by 2 hours, and we were like, what are we gonna do? And then thankfully there was a 7-Eleven nearby. We just bought something to eat, and then we were just sleeping, talking, playing. But it went by really quick, to be
Yeah.
honest.
And she slept a lot.
Yeah. I'm still sleeping.
How much do you sleep?
I sleep and sleep and sleep and sleep and sleep and sleep and sleep. Then next, I got these two pens again from Lawson from my friends, but this looks so classy. I wish I had bought one for me too. Like the pens here are so classy, like
She's
that.
so obsessed with pens. I don't get it. It's an addiction.
It is.
I asked her if she would get 100 pens, would she be satisfied? She said no. I was like
Even
200.
if I 100, 200, 500,000, million, lakhs, crores, billions, trillions, gazillions, whatever number is there, I will never be happy. I mean, I'll be happy, but then I'm ready for more. Like, I'm open for more. So, yeah, these pens, like, look at them. That's so classy. Like, it's so transparent and so, look at that. Look at that. So, I got these for my friends.
It's a really good quality.
Lucky
though.
people, you're getting friends. And why is the camera fell down? Yeah. 10 minutes!
That's our parents. I'm sorry if we broke your ears. Cheers though. I think we should like, okay, we'll be back.
Yeah, bye.